My name's Jasper Fairs and I'm Apprentice Machinist at SPT Labtech. Ever since I was a kid, I've always enjoyed making things with my hands, taking things apart, being able to fix it. I've always enjoyed Lego techniques and that sort of thing. So that's really kind of started my knowledge and how much I've enjoyed it. And then I tried to think of what future I could have while using my hands. Eye for detail, the want to figure out and solve problems and expand your knowledge on lots of different topics. We get parts in that are from machines, or we'll get a new concept which needs to be modified or made, and then I'll go onto a machine, a lathe or milling machine and make those parts. The thing I'm most proud of is how much my knowledge has gotten better since the start. I can confidently make a part pretty much by myself without having to ask for help. Be proud of the finish and how it's come out and be able to give it to someone and they'll be really happy with it. Well, in school I did construction, systems and control, which I really enjoyed. So I knew I wanted to do something practical and not just sitting inside all day. And then from that I did 2 years at CRC doing level 2 and level 3, and then I decided I wanted to do apprenticeship. It's definitely a great road to go because you get a lot of knowledge and experience in the role while getting paid, which is brilliant.